Hello and welcome to RevenueTube and our new video on how to make money on YouTube, creating awesome video content. RevenueTube is all about giving you what you need to start and succeed in your own online business. In these first videos, I will cover my top 10 tools for helping you work faster and smarter. After these short videos, we're going to show you the very best way to make money on YouTube, bar none. Also, in a little while I'm going to tell you about a couple of very important features that make this software pure gold and show you why you need it in your toolkit. Okay, so as online entrepreneurs, we all have to create lots of content. Unless you've been living in a cave, you know that to get great engagement, you need video. And not just any video, you need interesting, high quality video. This is where Vidnami comes in. Let me show you how this incredible video content creation software allows you to create amazing videos in very little time at amazingly low cost. I'm not going to actually demonstrate Vidnami here, as there are lots of great demos out there already, and I can't do it justice in a 3-minute video. What I am going to do is tell you what I think are the most important features and why I know you can benefit from it as I have. 1. The monthly cost of Vidnami would be dwarfed by just separately paying for the stock images and videos to make just a fraction of the content you can make each month with Vidnami. 2. Learning to use Vidnami is incredibly quick and easy. You're up and running in no time at all. In fact, it's so intuitive you can use it without even watching the tutorials, although I would recommend them. 3. Creating great videos is so quick and easy you can get a lot more quality content out there to help build your business in a fraction of the time or cost of hiring companies or freelancers or doing it yourself with more complex video software. 4. If, like me, you don't like being on camera, Vidnami is the perfect solution and a much better solution for me than having my ugly mug on screen. 5. There's no big upfront costs and no long-term commitment. And lastly, if you sometimes struggle with inspiration, you can basically chuck your rough ideas into Vidnami and let Vidnami create the scenes for you, and from that point it becomes much easier to tweak your video into something you are happy with. Hopefully you found this presentation helpful in preparation for how to make money on YouTube. If you'd like to know more about Vidnami or have any other questions, please leave a comment below. In our next video, as promised, I'll be showing you the very best way to make money on YouTube, bar none. This is an astonishing system that works for anyone and allows you to generate unlimited free traffic from page 1 of Google for valuable keywords. It's a unique system and it's how you came to see this video today, so you already know it works brilliantly and that page 1 position didn't cost a single penny. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to see other great tips, tricks and tools to help you succeed in your online business. Thank you for watching. See you soon.